Hey everyone, Kyle here. If you're a business owner or creator on TikTok, make sure to stick around. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down the big TikTok updates of 2025 that you need to know. These updates are game changers for e-commerce brands, personal brands, and even TikTok shop sellers, especially in the United States. We'll keep this super simple, but without further ado, let's get into exactly what's new inside of this TikTok update, and more importantly, how you can grow from it. Now, the first thing that we're going to be talking about is the social commerce updates as well as the TikTok shop updates that were just released. TikTok really just isn't for dancing videos anymore. It's become pretty much a shopping powerhouse. Obviously, in 2023, TikTok fully launched TikTok Shop in the United States, and in 2025, this is a booming business model. There's even a new shop tab in the application, which you basically just have to look for that little shopping bag icon. Think of it like a mini Amazon basically inside of TikTok, where users can browse products by category, beauty, fashion, gadgets. You can pretty much name it, they have it. And you can see personalized recommendations based on what they watch and what they're interested in. For you as a business, this means that your products can be discovered by tons of new customers just by being on the TikTok shop in the first place. What's really cool about this is how TikTok blends entertainment with shopping with this factor. People are finding products through shoppable videos and live streams, and imagine someone scrolling through funny videos and then stumbling on a live demo of a cool gadget that they can buy it and get it right there without having to leave the app. This is what's kind of becoming known as discovery e-commerce, which is really starting to grow more and more popular. In fact, tons of shoppers now say that TikTok actually introduced them to new products and brands that they had never previously known about. If you're an e-commerce brand, you'll definitely want to take advantage of this new feature. You can show off your products obviously in creative TikToks that you yourself, the user, makes, or it's possible to even hire someone and create what's known as UGC content. Obviously, the more engaging your content is, the more likely that viewers will buy on impulse, because TikTok really just makes it so easy to do that. Right now, currently, there are tons of big brands on TikTok Shop, but small businesses are also doing really well on there as well. TikTok actually reported that a huge chunk of TikTok Shop sales in 2025 weren't even from these bigger brands, and they actually went directly to small businesses. Why is this the case? Because TikTok's algorithm doesn't care if you're just some mom and pop shop or a big company. If your content is engaging, it can reach millions of people simply by posting a short video. We've seen tons of local boutiques go viral by telling the story behind their products or creating some kind of interesting video about their product. There's also the opportunity of doing live streams about your product, which is almost like the modern day equivalent of those old selling shows that you would see your grandparents watch on late night television. These are incredibly popular ways to sell your products on the TikTok shop, and I can only see this getting more and more popular as time goes on. In order to actually do this, you just set up a TikTok shop profile, add your products, and use those TikTok videos to advertise them, and it's pretty much just as easy to make those sales. Also, one of the other new things that TikTok has been doing recently has been running these special deals days with big discounts and an even better price match guarantee, especially during certain live streams. This shows that TikTok is actually super serious about helping sellers drive sales with promotions on their platform. Make sure to participate in these events, especially if you can, depending on the product that you're selling. New monetization options for creators. Now, these can include anything from personal brands to even businesses, but it's entirely possible to take advantage of TikTok's new monetization programs, which are basically improved on the existing ones to help you turn your views into income. The biggest shift here is going to be the shift from the old creator fund to the new TikTok creativity program. Now, what you might be asking yourself is, what is that? Basically, TikTok realized that the old creator fund wasn't actually paying creators that much money. People were only getting like a few bucks basically for 1,000 views, and they basically wanted to introduce a better program solution to this, so that way people felt more incentivized to make not only good content, but to make content that would get people to stay on the platform longer and actually perform well in their algorithm. This is why they introduced the creativity program, which promises higher payouts, especially for longer TikTok videos. If you make videos over 1 minute long and they perform well, you can earn significantly more money than you would with shorter TikTok videos that don't do as well. Now, there are some important caveats though that you need to consider if you want to join this program. The first of these is that you have to be at least 18 years old. There's also the fact that you have to have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. This is really only aimed at very serious creators who actually have an established foundation on TikTok. But the bright side is that if you meet those stats, I would definitely recommend switching to their new program just by doing that inside of their creator tools. And the best part is that even if you're not there yet, it's something that you can grind for because the payoff is way better now. Another way to make money is through TikTok series. This is a feature where basically creators can post a collection of videos behind a paywall, kind of like a mini Netflix series or a mini Patreon series that your fans can purchase access to. One of the best examples I can give for this is that if you're, let's say, a fitness coach, you could make a 10-part workout series and ultimately charge viewers to actually watch that series with some of your best tips, tricks, and potentially other things that go into what kind of content you produce. This is pretty much going to be the new direct way to monetize premium content and do so all within the same app without having to have a third-party link in your bio. Once again, though, this series feature is only going to be for more established creators. Also, of course, don't forget the classic methods like live gifting and subscriptions, which are insanely popular, especially with TikTok Live being what it is right now, which is honestly an incredibly fast way to grow your audience and start making your first little bit of real income, especially on TikTok. Also, one of the other things that's actually recently been added is that fans can now even subscribe to your live streams for a monthly fee to get special perks. Now, one of the other big benefits here is that TikTok has also expanded opportunities for brand partnerships and affiliate marketing. They have the creator marketplace where brands can find and pay creators for sponsored content, especially if you're a creator with a decent following. Make sure your profile is eligible and listed there, which usually is going to require around 10K followers and good engagement and standing with the TikTok platform. This is basically like a hub for brand deals. Companies will pay you to make TikToks featuring their product, and new for new creators is the TikTok Shop affiliate program. This is basically where you can partner with brands or just pick products from the TikTok Shop to promote in your own videos, and every time that product gets a sale, you get a commission on any of the sale that you drive. It's basically built right into the app so your video can have a link to the product and you can earn automatically when followers buy through it. This is awesome for personal brands because you don't need a direct sponsorship. You can choose products that you genuinely like and make money as an affiliate with them. One of the other last big updates is going to be TikTok Pulse. This is an ad revenue sharing program that TikTok introduced where top creators actually get a cut of the ads that they run next to their videos. By 2025, Pulse has been giving creators, usually those with obviously larger followings and very engaging videos, a slice of the ad money when big brands ads appear alongside their content. Although for this program, you might need something like 100,000 followers and consistently viral content. It's just nice to know that as you grow, there are more built-in ways to earn money on the platform just for making content. Those are pretty much it for all the updates with TikTok though. If you guys have questions about this update, or if you want to learn more about how to grow your TikTok account consistently, make sure to hit that like button, and of course hit the subscribe button so you guys never miss any of our future videos. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.